എന്ത് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അവനൊരു വീഡിയോ കോളിലായിരിക്കും നമ്മത്തിൻ്റെ കൂടെ. അതും ഹാഫ് ദ ടൈം ഞാൻ അവിടെ ചിലപ്പോൾ വെറുതെ അവൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് നിൽക്കുമായിരിക്കും, പെട്ടെന്ന് ഒരു അടി എവിടെ നിന്നെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ തുടങ്ങും. ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ എണീച്ച് മാറിപ്പോയി. They're like always fighting and they're always together. It's just very fun to see them together.
How do I look, Nikhil?
Always me. This is all drama. No. So it's fine. It's understandable.
Why would you say that?
Correct avada thanne cut cheyidu bro. Adonu best. Njan paranju nirthiyilla.
I like honestly Namitha is the best.
I know. So perfect.
The sweetest. I can't imagine getting like a better sister-in-law. I genuinely can't.
I
keep saying Nikhil is the luckiest man on this planet.
We don't know how he ended up with her. That's another thing. But
Yeah,
we are very
I
lucky.
literally have those.
We are very lucky.
We have a dance performance to look forward to that.
Yes, please.
Yes. Full practice ഒക്കെ ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ നിൽക്കുന്നത്.
രണ്ട് ദിവസത്തിന് പ്രാക്ടീസ്.
Yeah, 2 days worth of practice for this music. So it'll be kiddo. Amazing.
So first ഈ സൈഡിലാണ് അങ്ങനെ. അതിന് മുന്നേ മൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. Something like this. Hi. What are you guys going to play? ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ നിഖിൽ ഡാൻസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. So, Nikhil, I have few questions to ask you.
Interview?
Yeah, personal interview.
Tell me.
When you saw me for the very first time, okay? When you saw me for the very first time, I think 9 years back?
9 years back, yeah.
What was your impression? Was it like, wow?
So like the first time that I met Namitha was when I was like in Christ college. The first time I met Namitha. So that time like Nikhil and Namitha, they were just friends. I never even thought that they would get together. So the first time that Nikhil told me that these two are like, you know, that they're dating, I was like shook. I couldn't even believe. I'm just like, how did he end up landing such a beautiful girl? I was so surprised, but like she's the sweetest. Like I remember ever since I first met her, she's so welcoming, so friendly, and like just the sweetest person ever.
Even for me, the first time I met Namitha was actually for engagement. We have texted online, പക്ഷേ അത് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. പിന്നെ എൻഗേജ്മെന്റ് സമയത്ത് ബാംഗ്ലൂരിൽ വന്നപ്പോഴാണ് ആദ്യത്തെ തവണ കണ്ടുമുട്ടിയത്. പിന്നെ it was like she was just so welcoming, this positive vibe, so sweet. She's so sweet. Okay.
Very happy.
Thank you.
Finally, marriage. After all that we planned, months of planning. When December, November we started, no? One by one.
I'm really proud of this. I really like the way you manage things.
You're welcome.
Tell the same thing about me.
I am very happy.
that got me super impressed. I have known Nikhil for a super long time, and I've not seen him giving much. But here, I would say that he's been the giver and I've been the taker, and then now I'm also giving, right?
Let's see.
Mansalaya varna?
Yeah, I understood. That's why I said let's see.
No, I also love you properly.
Yeah, I love you. True.